Hi, this is MK Patel. Welcome to my YouTube channel MK Trader. This channel is created only for an educational purpose. I am not a SEBI registered advisor. In this channel, I am going to share my knowledge about technical analysis, that's price action trading. I am not responsible for any financial losses. Trading in financial instrument is very risky. Please contact your financial advisor. Welcome to Daily Market Review, that's June 30th, 2021. Let's see directional bias of Nifty and Bank Nifty for tomorrow. Before going to start, please subscribe my YouTube channel MK Trader, hit the like button and share my videos. This is the hourly chart of Nifty. Nifty traded in between 15,500 to 15,900 area. So 15,900 area, this area acted as a resistance. This entire area is acted as a resistance. This area acted as a support. So price is in between 15,500 to 15,900 area, around 400 points. We expect big move only this range break either side or downside or upside. We expect the price might break outside. The next direction is around hourly for sending channel projection is around 16,500. So that's why we expected the price might break above this resistance area around 15,900 area. This is the resistance area. So here price is in between 15,900 to 15,500 area. So here might be some sort of support here. This one is the support area around 15,700 to 15,650 area. This area. So here price break this trend line. Yesterday I mentioned this trend line. Only go for short if price break below this area around 15,800 area in my review, yesterday review. So same thing happened today. Here in 15 minutes chart, this trend line, this rising trend line, price traded below this trend line, here the breakout. So yesterday I mentioned only we go for short this area around 15,800 area, price traded below, only we go for short. The same thing happened today. So tomorrow what we expect is here might be this is again price might continue ranging here, or else what we expect tomorrow, if price pull back to this area, we find rejection candle here, then we go for short. This is the another support zone around 15,700 area. So price below this trend line, so we search for short opportunity in Nifty. This is the range. If this range break below, then search for short opportunity. First target here. If this target around 15,650, if this level break, then price might try to hit this optimal support zone around 15,500 area. So this indicated that bearishness, only we search for long opportunity. If price break above 15,900 area, then only we search for long opportunity Nifty. So price we have some bearish behavior, so search for short opportunity tomorrow. This is our own chart of Bank Nifty. Here Bank Nifty also traded in between 34,300, sorry, 34,000 to 35,600 area. So price might keep ranging again here. Yesterday I mentioned this is the head and shoulder pattern, but might be this pattern not working. Let's wait for tomorrow. Here price traded in between area support and resistance in between 34,000, the support zone. So 35,600 is a resistance zone. Only we search for long opportunity if price break above this resistance zone and wait for pullback. Search for long opportunity. This is for only long term purpose. In intraday, price break this trend line, rising trend line. This is the rising trend line. So price below this trend line, then we search for short opportunity. This is the support area. This is the another support area. Let's see in 15 minutes time frame. It's clear. In 15 minutes time frame, this rising trend line, got broken out. Price traded below this 35,200 area, around 35,200 area. This is the kind of range here. This range, this is the range. So this range break below. So this rising trend line also breaking. Price break clearly here. So in my early review also I mentioned the price break below this trend line, then only we search for short opportunity. Today the same thing happens. So tomorrow price below this trend line, then only we search for short opportunity. If price back to this trend line area, then only we look for long opportunity. But price below this trend line, around this is the zone of resistance. This is also resistance. Any pullback to this resistance area, if we find rejection candle like this in 15 minutes time frame or 5 minutes time frame, then we search for short opportunity. This is the level of support around 34,600. If this level is also break below, then price exposed to 34,000 area. So here price behaves some bearish behavior here. This is the trend line. If we connect, I'm going to connect with trend line. Mark with this black color. Here price turning here. So if price back to retest this area, if we find rejection candle like this, then search for short opportunity. Or else if price back to this zone area, if you find any pullback, then search for long opportunity. So right now price indicating price might going down. So take support around 34,600 area. So free room to fall. Free room to fall. So search for short opportunity in Bank Nifty. That's all for Nifty and Bank Nifty. Both are indicating bearishness. So search for short opportunity. in Nifty and Bank Nifty. Thanks for watching. Subscribe my Telegram channel. Link given in below description. Have a profitable day.